Chris Beasley, and in this video we are going to unbox the Gamry Reference 620 Potentiostat. So when you first open up your Reference 620 Potentiostat, on the top you're going to have things like the calibration shield. So this is a miniature Faraday cage that we would use to run our calibration of the instrument itself. We have two calibration cells. The 200 ohm calibration cell is the standard calibration cell. You use that to calibrate your instrument once a year, or if you change the laboratory environment, or if you suspect something might be wrong with your instrument, you would run a calibration. We have a 20 kilo ohm calibration cell, which is used for a cable correction calibration. So if you're testing any high impedance coatings or something like that, you would use this as a calibration in addition to the normal user calibration. And then lastly, we have a dummy cell, which is just a typical simplified Randall cell that you can use to run a check of EIS on your system, and you can also learn to model an electrochemical cell using our software, since these are known component values. Next, we have a cell cable. This is your standard 60 centimeter cell cable you use to connect to your electrochemical cell. We have a grounding cable that you use to ground the potentiostat to earth ground if necessary. We have a USB cable, of course, for communication. We have a power cord, which will be specific to your country. We try to give a power cord that has the right connectors so that it's easy for you to hook up to your AC mains. And of course we have the power adapter. Next, there's an information package which will have a quick start guide as well as instructions for downloading the latest version of our software. And then lastly, of course, we get to the potentiostat. And there you go. You have the potentiostat. You can connect your power to the back. There's also the grounding lug for connecting to earth ground if necessary. And of course, the USB connections on the back. And then you would have your cell cable. That you would use to connect to the front, and then of course to your electrochemical cell. Be sure to tighten down the threaded knobs so that your cell cable doesn't come loose. And then we also, within the cell cable bag itself, we also provide a series of connectors, large alligator clips, small alligator clips, adapters, so we can connect to a variety of cells. There you have it. If you need any additional help, visit Gamry.com. That's www.gamry.com, or just give us a call and we can help answer your questions. Thank you.